If we have the expression 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 over 13 multiplied by 65, then what is the simplest possible answer for this expression? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's go step by step and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the exponent, which is 5 squared, and write this expression as 25 divided by 5 over 13 multiplied by 65. And the next step, they focus on the multiplication between 5 over 13 and 65, because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. Okay, as you can see in the image, they simply cancel out 65 with the 13 in the denominator, and this expression simplified to 25 divided by 25, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we have to perform all the operations in this expression exactly according to the PEMDAS rule in order from top to bottom. Okay, first we must start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 25 divided by 5 over 13 multiplied by 65. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we start with the expression 25 divided by 5 over 13. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and write this expression as 25 multiplied by 13 over 5. Now, we can easily simplify the number 25 with the 5 in the denominator, and instead of this expression, we can write 65 multiplied by 65, which finally gives us the answer 4,225. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question.